Hey, good morning, Jorge Estrada. So in one of my previous videos, I have shown a MIDO Multifort that has still a radium dial. It showed that there is still radiation going on as expected. Now I put it in a glass display. I don't want to wear it every day. It's such a cool piece, but I don't want to glow in the dark. So I decided to put it in a glass or plastic display, put a cute little sticker on it. I know, such a nerd. But I'm gonna have my tester here again, and let's see if it. I've not done this before, so I just want to let it sit here a little bit and see if it indicates anything with that watch being behind plastic. Now there is no. I got this box on eBay. It's about $8. I like it. I have bought it before. Put it in the glass display case here in the office. It does not have any vents in there, so there's no ventilation, which some people say you should have ventilation because, you know, radium, and then there's this gas, radon gas, that creates, and you know, yada yada. I'm not an expert, so I also know it's not super dangerous, I guess, if you don't eat it. I just want to be safe since we do have kids and a dog. So decided to put it in this plastic case and then inside a glass display case. And I mean, right now it seems pretty stable. It always, you know, flickers between 0.01 and 0.02. Seems like to me it's good to go. Relatively, oh, it's ticking now. Nope. I think it should be fine. Sitting behind a layer of plastic and then behind a layer of glass. Which the glass. Oh, here we go. Look at that. I guess it takes a minute or two. Indicates a little bit. All right. Guys, a little bit more than I expected. I guess it's still not bad. Instructions say when it's bad, the display turns red. So, not sure. Not sure how much there is. Again, I also don't have. Look at that. Now it's back to 0. Again, I don't know how accurate that machine is. I have nothing to countermeasure. I have no other machine to double check that watch. So it's what it is. Take it with a grain of salt. It's not life or death, my opinion. But it's interesting to see. It does indicate, so you can easily check, you know, if you do have a radium dial, if it has been manipulated, or, you know, if the watch was redialed, or, you know, somebody reapplied different lume. It's a good indicator. I don't know how accurate it is. If you have a machine that you know is accurate, if you can recommend it, if you can share a link or describe what it is, make and model, I'd be interested. This is what I found on Amazon. You can change the settings, you can change the units, and this is the basic microsieverts per hour. This is the basic setting that I found. And yeah, it goes back up there. So I don't think it's too bad. If you have experience with nuclear radiation, if you want to comment, I wholeheartedly welcome you to shed some light onto that. You know, but this is it. I just wanted to show you that this is how high. That's my only watch right now with the radium dial. this is how I handle it right now. If you have a better solution, please let me know. Yeah, I appreciate it. Let's share some experiences and for everybody to see, and so we all can learn something. So I hope you learned something, or you got some idea what's going on. And I appreciate you being here. Happy New Year again, and be safe out there.